Hi, so today I will actually tell you how you can go from like a real beginner to like more advanced with your characters, with drawing characters. So I've been drawing for like a year and a half, so I have some experience and I've made a decent progress in that amount of time. So what I want to do is, give you all the stuff that I know so we can make more progress faster and easier. So in the beginning, what actually inspired me to draw was games, and I looked at all those dynamic characters like in splash arts of League of Legends, okay, and other games, okay, and I was so inspired and I wanted to draw characters, but okay, I tried to do that myself and it ended terrible. So I was kind of sad about that I can't draw characters, and that's like the main thing, the main reason why I want to draw. So you can probably relate to that you want to draw characters but they turned out garbage, okay? You hate them, you get demotivated, and I don't know, for me, I even wanted to quit art at all. But now, I've realized like a basic roadmap of becoming better with drawing characters, so I want to share with you. Because, like it opened my eyes really and gave me a lot of hope and also a lot of improvement. So with that, I will share with you those things. So now let's start with actually the basics, okay? So what I needed first to improve in my drawings was basic shapes, okay? I mean, it's obviously easy, but it's basic shapes. Okay, so here we have our point ones, our starting point. And what I mean by basic shapes is, like circles, okay? Circles, rectangles, okay, triangles, cubes even, okay, at that point. Okay, like maybe cylinders even. Those 3D triangles, I forgot how they're called. Okay, like even ovals, I mean even spheres. That was like my step one of starting to draw characters, okay? I knew that, I mean, I cannot escape that. It will be kind of helpful to being able to draw a sphere or, a rectangle even, okay? So that's why it's my first step, okay? So from that, what we can do is actually like a very simple body construction, okay? And what I mean is, like have a circle for head, okay? Like have here a straight line, okay? Like maybe another oval here, okay? Like oval for hips. And then legs, maybe like a triangle here, okay? And here we have your basic, body construction. And yeah, that's like a second step for me. So that's like a second step for me, okay, in drawing characters. But so then what I would do is go to this simple body construction, but in perspective, okay? So now, instead of only front view or side view, what you can do is do like a 3/4 view, okay? So something like that. That is, like in more perspective. And this construction, okay, this like simple construction, what you can use that for to actually practice even more is gesture practices, okay? And I have a video how to actually improve your poses on the channel, so you can go watch that. I talk about gestures then. But what it is basically you have here you have your basic construction of your character, okay? And you practice poses, like a simple poses for now, okay? And you just take pictures from internet and you try to draw those poses in them. I mean, draw those constructions, those characters in those poses. That's how you improve them. And now we go to dynamic poses, and here our characters would be actually more defined, okay? So what we do is, like use those shapes for, like more defined construction of a character, and do that in, more dynamic poses. So now what you can do is actually figure drawings. And what are figure drawings? Figure drawings are just, like more complex constructions, okay, of characters, and draw them in like dynamic poses. So maybe one pose might be like upside down swinging from something, okay? Maybe like jumping, okay? Maybe like sitting, that might be also like, maybe like sitting like, on a throne or laying down or whatever. That can be also dynamic, okay? And from that, where we will be going to like more advanced poses, okay? So there we'll be going to advanced poses plus common angles. So first, what I mean common angles. So those would be like, I don't know, like from top, from a little bit bottom, okay, maybe from like a side, okay, maybe from behind angle, okay, maybe like, I don't know, like a little bit, maybe like that. And also what I mean by advanced poses is even more dynamism, okay, so like maybe someone's running, jumping. You can also add like now the emotions of faces for those characters, okay, and we will be going to advanced poses and advanced angles, and still just more advanced poses, okay, just practice that, and then add some advanced angles, so maybe from like, you know, a different FOV, so then maybe like a different field of view, okay, maybe like a angle to the camera, okay, so now it's not just straight on, maybe now it's a little bit tilted, okay, add even more perspective to it, okay, so like more for shortening, okay, so now you see that my hand is the size of my head, okay, but it's not. Yeah, so use all of that. And now we'll go to refinement, and on that stage what we'll be doing is, you know, like improving our anatomy, like more advanced anatomy, okay, like now just practicing those angles or those hard angles, poses and stuff. Also now we can think about clothes and whatever, like armors and stuff. We can now improve on that, okay. So here's just so you know, I'm not even on that stage yet, okay. It's like a pro, but soon we'll get there. So yeah, just in that stage, just improve. So in that stage you have your knowledge about, you know, drawing those characters, and now you can just improve and actually build upon that. So that's really cool. And actually, if you struggle with making progress, okay, with improving your art, what you can do is top link in the description below. You can get my one-on-one coaching. I can coach you. So I can coach you, okay, I can tell you exactly what you need to do to improve your art skills, improve your drawings, and you'll also get access to my future courses, okay, you can then watch there. So yeah, top link in the description below. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, okay, if you learned something, if you now know how to actually, you know, basic roadmap of how to actually learn onto how to actually learn drawings, okay, you can leave a like, you can leave a comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching. Now you can actually improve your characters, go draw, and don't waste more time on YouTube. So thank you for watching, and bye.